In this video, I'll show you how to back up and reset your iPhone. The process is straightforward and works on any iPhone model. Let's get started. Step 1. Back up your iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the very top, tap on your nameware. It shows your Apple ID, iCloud, and account details. Once you're in, tap on iCloud. It's usually the fifth option down. Scroll down and look for iCloud Backup. Tap on it. Make sure Backup this iPhone is enabled. If your last backup was a while ago, you can tap Backup now at the bottom of the screen. The backup time will vary. It could take anywhere from a few minutes to around 30 minutes, depending on your internet speed and how much data you're backing up. If you want to manage what gets included in your backup, go back to the main iCloud page and look for Saved to iCloud. Here you can toggle options like iCloud Photos, iCloud Drive, and app data on or off, depending on what you want to back up. Step 2. Reset your iPhone. Once your backup is complete, go back to Settings and tap General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Erase All Content and Settings. A message will appear explaining that erasing will sign you out of your Apple ID and remove all personal data. This is what you want if you're planning to reset the device. Confirm the action and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the reset. Step 3. Restore from backup. After the reset, your iPhone will restart as if it were new. During the setup process, you'll be prompted to restore from an iCloud backup. Simply sign in with your Apple ID and choose the most recent backup you just created. Your data, including photos, messages, apps, and settings, will then be restored. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to safely back up and reset your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials.